guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Adita and I make video based on everything and anything that happens in my life. So today's video is a vlog. I've actually noticed that in my analytics you guys love watching my vlogs more than any other content, so why not? I mean, here it is. Today anyways, it's not just a random vlog. Today is vaccination day for my mom and she's freaking out because I mean it runs in our family, okay? We're very scared of injections and my mom and I are no exceptions to that. We hate it. In fact, there was this one incident where I had to get my MMR vaccine and all of that. I mean, I will make a separate video and tell you all about all the vaccinations because I'm traveling abroad, if you all don't know yet. So when I had to go get that done, I had to get like basic check, like, you know, my BP, and they just checked my oxygen and my pulse. My pulse was at 125 and it was very abnormal. They had to keep me on hold for like 10 minutes just to make sure I calmed down, but even after that it did not happen and I just had to go ahead and get the shot because you know, that's how scared we are. So today unfortunately is one of those days for my mom, and next 2 days I think it's going to be very tough for her. But with that being said, we're running really late. I should explain the process of how we got. In fact, it's become very easy to get yourself registered and get the vaccines right now. And we're going for Covishield because Covishield is currently approved by WHO, and my mom may travel with me or may not travel with me. So we're just getting everything done and she's just sighing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Ready.
Let's go get poked. Let's go. I'll see you in the car and I'll give you all the information about the registration process. I'm scared. It's okay, come. Nothing will happen. If I can get it, you can get it. It's just 1-2 seconds prick. You won't even feel it. Trust me. Come. Get up. We have time, only 1 hour time. We have to get it done.
Okay.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's on.
Alright guys, I just wanted to come up here and tell you all that if you are going out, I mean, it's not wrong to go out. You can if you have some work. But if you're going out, always remember to double mask because right now there are so many mutations and you just don't want to catch anything new or catch the existing ones. So just remember to double mask. That's what my mom and I both have been doing since a long time. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that.
We gotta party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We gotta party for a lifetime.
Alright you guys, my mom is done with it and now we're here at Starbucks to just pick up something, and my camera is not picking up the light. So let's go and get something to drink.
Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild.
Hey guys, we are back in the car and I know I told you I'm going to speak about the registration process, but everything just happened so quick. We had to wait here outside Apollo Clinic in Ranagar for at least 7 to 10 people because once they open the box of vaccine, they need to constantly keep giving it to people and they can't store it otherwise. So we waited. I mean, right now, let me tell you, I thought I lost my phone for a second. The time right now is 4:40. We came here at 3 o'clock, so it was not that long of a wait also. And yeah, my mom's just showing me her Starbucks cup. Starbucks can never get our names right. Like I mentioned Vandita, they've mentioned Vanvita, and my mom's got Nandini and not Nandini. So I mean, Nandini is such a basic name, man. But yeah, how was your experience with
Which one?
the vaccine?
Initially I felt very scared. Then
No?
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 No, nothing is there. I don't know.
It's very common, and the thing is, it usually, like, you just get accustomed to it. Okay, it doesn't pain as much. It's just a small prick.
No,
so
it
it's,
won't pain, but after that, I don't know what will be the
yeah,
reaction or something.
there will be, and in fact these people even told us that there should be a reaction, because that's when you know that the vaccine is working. I'm sorry for this weird angle, but I'm just gonna try my Starbucks order today. Today is very different. Okay, I didn't order the regular. I usually go for like a chai latte, or I just order strawberry frappuccino, but today is coffee based with hazelnut frappuccino. So let's try. Oh, this is yum. This is too good.
Cheers for what?
Your vaccine. Alright guys, so I'm just back home and I just wanted to sit down and speak to you all about the registration process. It's very simple. All you have to do is just download the CoWIN app, and once you all download the app or register, actually you can give in any of your identity. So one phone number can have at least 5 members registered under it. So you can do it for your friends and family, anyone. You can give in your Aadhaar, or there are various IDs that you can give in. So we actually, I preferred giving my passport because I wanted linked to my passport, and my mom, we gave her Aadhaar number. So it was pretty chill. Like, there's nothing to do. Just give the Aadhaar number, name on your Aadhaar, and your birth year, not even your birth date. Register, and after that you can search for vaccination slots. And initially you wouldn't find it. People getting OTP also was a very big thing, but right now everybody's getting OTP. Everything's happening really quick, and most places are not giving it for free. At least in the place I stay in Indiranagar, so people here are not taking it for free, but many places are just paid. And how much did we pay? 750 bucks. So we paid around 750 bucks, and it was pretty easy, pretty chill. The staff at Apollo Clinic was too good. We love them. And yeah, that was it. That was the registration process. All they'll do is, once you do the payment, they will just go ahead and verify your registration, and after that you will get a message. So yeah, now that's it. You're vaccinated. For the next 2 days, just be careful, eat well before and after. So we had, like, my mom had a good healthy breakfast, and now we're eating food from like proper like steaks and stuff, because we just wanted to. And we don't know when her taste buds are going to get back to normal, because my mom, every time she gets a fever, she can barely taste anything most of the time. So that's what it is. Anyways, yeah, that is the update as of now. I'll show you when the food comes in, because it's from my favorite place. It's from Truffles, and I absolutely freaking love truffles. And I'll show you what I got. Stay tuned for it.
Calm down, my head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing.
Alright guys, it's way late in the night, but I just wanted to check in here to tell you all something very exciting. So 3 days ago or 4 days ago, I had given a small interview with Barka. Like, she's a journalist and she writes for Money Control, so it's a website. So this interview was all about my visa process, which was one hell of a thing, and I really wanted to make a video on it, and I actually will. But if you are interested to read it, it's there is me, there is Sahib, both of us have given an interview. So if you are really interested to read it, you can check the link in my description box and you can go ahead and read it. It describes my visa process and how I got my dates. It was so dark, so bad, I can't even tell you. But yeah, if you want to know more about it, the link will be in the description. Go give it a read, and do tell me what you all think about it in the comment section, or you can slide into my DMs on my Instagram, which is on the page right now, like on the screen right now. Go follow my page. And yeah, a small update about my mom's health. She's doing much better. In fact, she's sitting right here. Speak.
What to speak?
She's doing much better actually. There's nothing yet.
A pain.
Yeah, that stinging pain is there.
Fever.
We're hoping
I'm
she
feeling
doesn't.
little tiredness, that's it.
So there is fatigue, there's like basic normal symptoms. I have a feeling there is going to be some shivering and fever later in the night, because it takes 8 hours for the vaccine to like start its effect. That's what I've heard, because that's what that's what happened to me as well. Guys, it's the next day and I didn't end up doing any report last night because I just didn't feel like it. I was sitting on YouTube the whole time. But anyways, a little update about my mom's health. She's absolutely fine. Actually, I waited till 3 in the morning to see if anything is going to happen, but nothing really happened. She's just lying down there and watching her, where is she? Yeah, watching her Netflix. She's all fine. I don't know why I went through the worst of the side effects of the vaccine. But anyways, I have nothing much to show in this vlog, but I definitely do have something very interesting that is going to happen now. So I really want to like shoot that and show you all the inside of my life. I just thought of this original content for Pride Month, and I want to show you all the BTS of it, because I want you all to know how much it really takes to make one small 30 seconds clip for like an Instagram reel, but it takes an entire days of planning and entire days of hard work. So yeah, I'm going to shoot that right now, and I'm going to be ending this video. So if you like this video for whatsoever reason, don't forget to hit the like button, and also do comment down below, because it does help me reach a lot of other people. And if you all want to see me grow, then please do it. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit the tiny bell icon next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye.
Hey, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Hey, put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter.